Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of location on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve location on Shein app, you should just go to settings, so right here. Then you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll search about Shein app in this window. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.